Did you know that you can sell more properties by talking about the bad things that the properties comes with? Yes, you heard me right. And this is so true because I've seen the same thing I'm about to tell you working across different industries. In sales, we often spend too much time and energy convincing different people on why they should buy whatever we are selling. We do this by highlighting the benefits of buying the property that we have. We go over all the great features the house comes with and how well it is priced. But what if I told you there is a better way to do it, and if you implement what I'm going to tell you, you will see your sales double? Let me ask you, what if you start by telling people why they should not buy? Think about it. It's reverse psychology and it's very powerful. By telling people the challenges or the downsides of buying a certain property, they may feel more compelled to prove you wrong by purchasing it. I'll give you an example. Let's say, for instance, you are selling a property and you already know that that customer who you are showing that property has an active social life. When you are showing that customer the property, you might say, if you are looking to have a laid-back lifestyle, then this neighborhood might not be for you. The constant social events that happens in this neighborhood can be very overwhelming. You might even find yourself spending all your savings just to keep up with the social scene. This will work because the prospect will hear a warning about the active social scene and it will trigger their fear of missing out. They'll feel more driven to purchase the property and become part of that exclusive lifestyle that you just described. Let me give you another example. Let's say you tell a client that a certain property is ideal for everyone who wants to spend time indoors and have a peaceful place to work from. But then you go ahead and tell them that one may struggle because the closeness to a nearby mall means that there is always something going on and they may find it difficult to stay indoors. This will work because telling them the proximity to the mall could be distracting makes them think about the convenience and start seeing the value of having everything close to their doorstep. If you are still not convinced, let's try this other way. You state to a client that a certain property offers top-notch security. This is because that property has close proximity to certain embassies and international institutions. However, if they're not a fan of seeing either security guards or gates or surveillance camera all around, this may not be the neighborhood for them. You can tell them it feels a bit like they would be living in a fortress. It works because the idea of too much security might seem like an inconvenience, but in reality, it highlights the high level of protection and peace of mind the buyers will experience. So, the next time you are showing a property, flip the script. Tell the buyers why they shouldn't buy. And once you implement this, come back and tell me if it works.